know what day it is, but we're here. It's morning. It's only about like 10:30 a.m. We're chilling, probably heading to the beach. We gotta go exchange our towels right now, which is what we're about to do. All right, we got the new towels right here. Brand new towels. They smell sexy. And now we're gonna be headed to the beautiful beach. The beach. Varadero. The beach in Varadero, Cuba. Ooh! Bro, are you ready to do the banana boat? Ready to do the banana boat, as you can see right here. Got the GoPro in my hand. Lego! First ever banana boat vlog in the history of YouTube! Woohoo! You've never seen this before? Never witnessed this? First banana boat vlog ever on YouTube! Yeah, baby!
Jam is my jam, it's my jam, it's my jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam. It's my jam, it's my jam, it's my jam, it's my jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam.
Oh shit! Bye-bye guys! Woo! Alright, so we just got off the boat, whatever. We flew a couple of times, as you saw in the videos.
One of the times my glasses broke, but you know.
His glasses broke, people. But whatever, we're all good. We're chilling, enjoying life right now, baby. Woo! Alright, so we just left the beach, but look what we got right in front of us. He wants to be in the vlog. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Yo, turn around, turn around, turn around. Ah! There we go. It's gonna pop my eye out, bro. Alright, we're gonna get a nice little game of ping pong going. Let's see how the game goes. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so we already played ping pong, as you saw. We ate. I beat him, by the way, to be honest. He has no words. We're actually gonna have an evening rest, so I'll catch you back at night. We're back, woke up, staying hydrated like always. Yo, so the ping pong paddles are in there? Yo, are you trying to finesse your way into the...
This is Cuba, so...
It's getting a... Nah, I don't think you can.
What's on it?
Nah, don't do it, don't do it. Roy, don't do it. So Roy was trying to finesse through that window so we could get the ping pong paddles. So we could play ping pong on these tables right there. But we couldn't finesse, so now we're just gonna keep walking and seeing what we do. Yo, so the hotel is really clutch. They have like these, they have these like bins where you put like the water when you don't want to drink it or when you're done with it. Dude, it's clutch. And here we have Roy, the cat whisperer. Actually petting the cat. Sorry for the low light. It's very dark, as you can see. It's going right through his legs, bro. What's the name of your new cat, Roy? Find a name for your cat. So he didn't find a name for his cat. So we're gonna be ending the vlog tomorrow. We don't know. It's a male or female cat, but we're ending the vlog here. See you tomorrow.